how to log in into eKart employee portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in eKart employee login, then press enter on your keyboard. Now, once you land on this interface, click on this first link that says Casper eKart. Now, you will be directly taken to login page. So first of all, enter your valid username and under that enter your correct password. Then click on this login button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log in into eKart employee portal. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.